Hey guys, my name is Jason Harrop, Senior Design Lead at Mojo Media Labs, and this is your Daily Marketing Hugs, helping you grow smarter. Welcome back guys. So today I want to talk about design collaboration and some of the tools here at Mojo Media Labs that we use to help streamline that process. So Figma is a prototyping software that allows teams to collaborate on a design project. The awesome thing is that it also allows a team to go in and do live updates. As a designer, it is really helpful to have another designer come in, collaborate, work one-on-one together, see updates being made. Some of the key points that Figma has are it allows for efficient workflows. It also brings teams together. Designers can be expressive. And then also it has a simple UI UX. Handoffs to devs or anybody is pretty much seamless. It's as good as giving somebody a high five. Let's take a closer look at the website. So when you go to figma.com, which I'll put a link down in the description below. So Figma is not only a browser-based application, but it allows for a desktop app, which they do have if you're not wanting to work out of the browser. So another tool that we use here at Mojo Media Labs is called Zoom. So as a designer, it's really helpful to go in, be able to, fire up a Zoom, have video live with another designer, and then actually use Figma at the same time. So not only are you seeing live updates being made to a design, but then you can actually collaborate on video like you were on a call. That's very helpful so that a lot of the communication is just streamlined, straightforward, and then the design gets done quickly. Nice thing with Zoom is just the overall collaboration visual of video. So the next tool at Mojo Media Labs that we use is Slack, messaging platform that allows users to create groups. They're called channels, which you can set up like projects, go in, collaborate on that specific project within that channel. And then also you can message people individually, just like you would with a phone texting. So some of the features that Slack has is really nice. You can pass images, you can pass videos, you can post GIFs, you can send people all sorts of things within that platform. So the nice thing about Slack is that it is team-based, so you can set up different channels to collaborate with your team. You can set up projects within there so that people can go in and message all about that specific project. So those are the three applications that we use here at Mojo Media Labs when it comes to collaborating. If you like this content today, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and then also comment below on what kind of content you would like to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and this is your Daily Marketing Hugs, helping you grow smarter.